Section 23 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023 and same is Section 27 of Indian Evidence Act, 1872 deals with how much of information received from accused may be proved. YN News. The Chhattisgarh High Court upheld murder convictions in the case of Dilip Sariwan v. State of Chhattisgarh, primarily relying on circumstantial evidence linked to an extramarital affair. The court emphasized the importance of proving each link in the circumstantial evidence chain beyond a reasonable doubt to ensure that no possibility of innocence remains. Background of the case: the murder of Rajesh Punikar occurred between the night of August 15 and August 16, 2020. His body was discovered near a motor pump, with a post-mortem confirming homicidal death from head injuries. The prosecution argued that Rajesh was killed due to a conspiracy involving his wife Kamata Punikar and her lover Tirthlal Kashipuri, driven by tensions from their extramarital affair. Key evidence included call detail records, CDRs, forensic reports, and various items seized during the investigation. The prosecution claimed the accused conspired to lure Rajesh under the pretext of drinking alcohol and murdered him with a jack rod, attempting to stage the death as an accident afterward. The charges included sections 302, murder, 201, causing disappearance of evidence, 34, common intention, and 120b, criminal conspiracy, of the IPC. Court's observations. The court stated that in cases relying on circumstantial evidence, the prosecution must demonstrate every circumstance beyond reasonable doubt. Citing the Supreme Court's ruling in Mahbubali and Dar v. State of Rajasthan, the court noted that discoveries under Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872, related to other accused persons are admissible to prove conspiracy charges. The court reinforced that only information leading to the discovery of relevant facts is admissible, emphasizing the necessity of a direct link between the information provided and the facts discovered. Ultimately, the court upheld the life sentences of the appellants, finding no errors in the trial court's judgment. Relevant section of the law: Section 23 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023 addresses confessions to police officers, stating they are generally inadmissible unless made in the presence of a magistrate. However, it allows for the admissibility of information leading to the discovery of facts if a clear connection exists, balancing this with the accused's fundamental rights against self-incrimination. Case law: the Supreme Court, in State of NCT of Delhi v. Navjot Sandhu and Rajesh and R. v. State of Madhya Pradesh, highlighted the importance of concrete facts and formal custody requirements under Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act.